Good morning to all of you. I hope that you are all doing well. This is me, Sayyid Shujatullah. Let us discuss today's current affairs. The first current affair that we are having, it is important with regard to Ayurveda. Why is it important for our examination? You know that we are having a separate industry of Ayurveda in our country, which is being promoted by the government, and we are also having a separate ministry also. We call that ministry as Ministry of Ayush. Ministry of Ayush. Here the student who are the beginners, they should know about it. That Ayush means, A means Ayurveda. Okay. The spelling is like I have just written the short form. Y means yoga. U means Unani. S means Siddha. H means homeopathy. H means homeopathy. Okay. Because of that only it is important to us. And apart from this, these are all for what purpose, my dear students? These are all for treatment of diseases, right or wrong? Treatment of diseases, treatment of any sickness, treatments of any ailments, etc. All of them means the same, but basically we use all of these treatment sources for our body, right or wrong? Yes. And apart from that, what else we are having? We are having our doctors. Okay, modern science is there. Okay, this is called as traditional science. Traditional science means from thousands of years ago, the people has been treated in ancient, in the medievals in this way. Okay, this is a traditional science, this is modern science, whatever we go to the doctor now, modern science. That's why this, and basically this is what we are aware of in our life. Major part of our life we have been aware of this. But recently, Government of India has been giving lot of promotion to traditional medicines. That's why this category is also called as alternative medicine. Very, very important terminology. Alternative medicines means this is the primary medicine, okay, for the treatment of diseases, etc. to the human beings. Primary, this is a major source, okay, where we will get our remedies. But this is alternative, means apart from this, you can go with this also. Apart from this, you can go with this also. That's why we have to be learning about it. It is important. Government of India is being promoting this industry. Okay. So in Kerala, there was a very huge, like very old, in this today's news only, this particular, it is there in the front page of the Hindu newspaper. That's why I picked up. Restoration of a mango tree. A very old mango tree has been actually put on fire. By the anti-social elements. Anti-social elements are those people who does not like the society. Okay, who want to do disruption in the society. Who wanted to spread hatred in the society. Who wanted to talk every time bad about the society. Those people are called as anti-social elements. They don't want harmony. They don't want peace. They want unnecessary violence. Okay, so that is those anti-social elements. Okay, because why I have defined the term means that term is there in the front page of this particular news. Okay, so the anti-social elements has put fire to this mango tree, and the Kerala government is taking lot of steps in order to restore it. It is one of the third most oldest tree in Kerala. Set on fire by the anti-social elements. The tree has been treated with Vrikshayrveda. Vriksha means tree Ayurveda. Curing the trees, curing the plants with the help of what? Ayurveda. Okay, alternative medicine. Okay, so it is the Vrikshayrveda. It is a science in alternative medicine that gives us various procedures, okay, for the treatment of trees, okay, to protect them from wilting, means to protect them from damage, like that. Okay, this was the first news. Then we are having the second is International Mother Language Day is celebrated today, February 21. International Mother Language Day. In November 1999, UNESCO, one of the United Nations organization, okay, United Nations Education and Cultural Organization. So it is one of the arm of United Nations only. You know that United Nations were formed on 24th October 1945. Just 2 years after that, we also got independence. We also got independence in the year 1947. But basically, UNESCO is an arm of UN, and UNESCO is having their own assembly. That conference have declared February 22 as International Mother Language Day. According to UN United Nations, there are 43% of almost around 6,000 languages are in endangered. Endangered in the sense is this 6,000 languages people used to speak before. We used to find people who are speaking this kind of 6,000 languages. Now the number of people who are speaking these languages are decreasing. The number of people who are writing on these languages, okay, authoring the books in these languages, they are also decreasing. And whatever the government initiatives are also far from expectations. That's why this valued heritage that we are having of diverse languages, etc., it's declining. That's why UN has said that 6,000 languages are endangered. Means if you don't try to preserve that particular languages, if you don't try to promote that language, promote in the sense is nothing but open colleges, open institution, give jobs in that, okay, and give some resources to them for the study, make that particular language, okay, one of the mother tongue language, one of the compulsory language, one of the state language, something government has to do with it, so that the people should study about it. People should study about it, and it should be preserved more thousands and thousands of years coming. Okay. Right, National Education Policy 2020, which is a visionary document, also encourages the use of mother tongue as a medium of instruction till at least class 5. Okay, but even if the state governments, because education comes under the state government definitely have to give the education in their mother tongue. Like if I will be given, like as I grow old in my home, okay, we talk only Urdu and Hindi mixed we talk. Okay, as a child, suppose 3.5 years or 4 years, okay, in my home everyone talks Urdu and Hindi only mixed. Then suppose if I go into the school, I live in Telangana, if they give me only in Telugu, what kind of lecture I will understand? Do I understand any lectures? Do I understand what they are talking? I cannot understand. No. Apart from English, I have to also get to know the concepts even in Hindi or even in Hindi and Urdu mix. Right or wrong? So that's why many people generally, even though they know English, like people like who are aspirants also, even though they know English, they will watch some Hindi lectures. Suppose if I want to watch something, I will also try to watch in Hindi because it will grasp it very early. Very early. That is the reason our national education policy also says that the children till the age of 5 and up to the age of 8 also, please impart the education even in what? Even in their mother tongue, even in Telugu, even in Urdu, even in Hindi, so that the students will grasp the concepts very easily. Okay, right. And you have to say that according to Article 120 of the Constitution, okay, allows any parliament member to speak in the parliament in mother tongue. In the parliament mother tongue. Recently, this was a issue even in our parliament. Or recently, 3 days back, one of the Tamil MP, he was speaking in Tamil. And our union minister, I don't remember his name, but our union minister has said that I don't understand. I would what you are saying in Tamil, but through translation he heard and he gave the answer in English he has given, or answer in Hindi he has given. And the Tamil MP was saying that no, I want answer in Tamil. Then the union minister said that how can I give in Tamil? I don't know Tamil, so you can just see the translation. So this is a controversy. Article 120 allows the parliamentarians so that they can speak also in what? In their mother tongue. Moreover, Article 350A, one of the novel feature in the Constitution, it also says that it is the responsibility of the state to impart education in their mother tongue only. To impart education at the lower levels of the schooling in the mother tongues. So mother tongue has been given very importance. Okay, that is how our constitutional framers want to preserve our cultural diversity, want to preserve our language diversity, want to preserve our caste diversity. That's why the constitution framers on and off they have mentioned that Article 29 is also mentioned in other articles also, like Article 350A. Now, study webs of active learning for young aspirants' mind. So very beautiful program called as SWAYAM. SWAYAM, study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. So this is the SWAYAM portal of Government of India. Okay, you acquire skills that meet your needs. Suppose I am working in IT company as a business analyst. I want to go in digital marketing. But the employer said that if we want to be, if you want to apply for it, they said that to upload a 2-year diploma like that. But I am working as a business analyst. But I don't have, I am interested in digital marketing. So I can go into the SWAYAM in this portal. I can register for 2-year or 1-year diploma in that, and I can take the coaching. That particular coaching will be useful for what? Will be recognized all over the India in any company. All over the India in any company. Means acquire skills, what you need, what you like. This is what SWAYAM. A open source platform, my dear students. Open source means you can access, I can access, anybody can access. Just register yourself in that and pay a minimum fee in that and get the course, and they will conduct the examination, write the examination and get the diploma, get the certificate, and you can use it for your employment purpose also. Central government's e-learning platform, everything online. Designed for what? Designed for access, means any part of the country one can access, because e-learning, no? So you can, in the remotest area, in the corner of the country also, a woman who is a housewife, she can also opt for this course. She can also be a diploma or a graduate or certificate holder also. Okay, equity means equally available for everyone. Quality means the certificate diploma will be recognized, and this will impart very good skills. Okay, qualitative curriculum will be there. Okay, syllabus will be there. Okay, recently in the budget, it was said that this particular portal will be going to also be in the 8 regional languages, such as Tamil, Hindi, Telugu. You can see all the 8 languages this portal will come now. Okay, class 9th till post-graduation, you can avail your studies here. CBSE studies, NPTEL, many are there. Okay, you can sit in home. From class 9 to post-graduation, you can avail degrees. You can avail degrees. Right, now we are also having here Samprabha. Samprabha is what? It is a free DTH channel for education. Direct to home, DTH means from satellite you will get the education, which is given by a group of 32 DTH channels. 32 DTH channels, direct to home. This total complete program will be run under the banner of Samprabha. Acquire skills that you need, faculty development and student monitoring. Student mentoring, interfere with SWAYAM as a local chapter. So please remember the slogan, Shikshit Bharat means educated Bharat, Unnat Bharat means developed Bharat. Developed Bharat. Okay. Kisan drones, you can see these drones are actually spraying what? They are spraying water. So the Prime Minister of our country yesterday, okay, has launched, okay, Narendra Modi ji has launched the Kisan Drone. Kisan Drone, and he was seeing that what Kisans can do. In one picture they are spraying pesticides on the agricultural land. In one picture they are spraying water. In one picture they are spraying fertilizers like that. Okay, Kisan drones will be used for crop assessment. How much crop is there, how much is left, okay, how it is germinated, okay, whether some crops have grown fully or not. So you can see in the TV only, you can see in the mobile only that, okay, how much area to be irrigated, how much area is left out, etc. Digitization of land records also. Okay, easily government can see that how much how much land is owned by a particular farmer. Spraying of insecticides and nutrients means fertilizers. Nutrients means fertilizers. You can see here I have written what is a Kisan drone. It is a unmanned, nobody will sit in it, it is unmanned. Manned means somebody is sitting. Unmanned, filled with insecticides and nutrients. The drones are expected to have a capacity of 5 to 10 kg we can load in nutrients, fertilizers, pesticides like that. The drone will spray the same amount of pesticides on about 1 acre of land in just 15 minutes. 1 acre of land the drone can do. The drone can spread fertilizers, pesticides in just 15 minutes. Okay. Whereas if a person have to do, he will take 1 hour. An hour of job, or more than that, hour, more than that normal manual if we are spraying, okay, it may take more than hour, more than 1.5 hours, 2 hours like that. But drone can do in 15 minutes. So your hardship will be reduced. Okay, your pain will be reduced. Your suffering will be reduced. Your scorching sun in the summer also, you will be happily sit in the shadow. Okay, the drones will do the work. This will save the time also, obviously, will require less efforts, and spraying will be done uniformly. And drone is not like that, it will spray here more or here less, here more or here less. Drones will generally spray the fertilizers or pesticides equally. Suppose it is in my hand, if I am doing it, sometimes it will be here more or here less, but it is not like that. Drones are uniformly same speed they will go, and they will generally spray. One rank, one pension. One rank, one pension. Very important concept here. See, I am a soldier. I am a soldier. So no, I am a brigadier. I am a brigadier, sir. Let's suppose armed forces brigadier. I joined in 1950s. I retired in 1990s. So my pension is coming. My pension is coming 30,000. But the Jawan who is joining today, his salary starts from 30,000, and when he gets retired, the retired soldiers of today's time, they are getting 70,000. I am a brigadier, I am getting 30,000 pension, and they are the Jawans who just got retired, they are getting 70,000 pension. So a Jawan is having more pension than me. How is it possible? Wrong, right? Yes, that's why the armed forces people are demanding that one rank, one pension. If a Jawan is there, whether he joined in 1950 or retired in 1970 or retired in 2010 or retired in 2020, anytime they resign or retire, so they should all get same pension. All brigadiers should get same pension. A brigadier retiring today will get 2 lakhs, but a brigadier who retired in 2000 will get only 20,000. It's not right. Right. So that is why India government accepted it. It's a long-standing demand of the Indian Armed Forces. It basically means that retired soldiers of the same rank who have retired after serving same length of services will receive the same pension irrespective of the date and year of retirement. That's what whenever you are retiring, it's not important. But the thing is, you are having the same rank, everyone should get same pension. Basically, and also length of service is also calculated. That will become more complex, so I will not go into that. But basic concept is this. Everyone who is in the same rank should get the same pension. And the last one of today's lecture, we are having MH-60R. Okay, multi-role helicopters contracted by Indian Navy want this for, and we are taking this from United States. They are scheduled to arrive in July 2022. And we made this agreement with Donald Trump, the former president of USA. We made this agreement in February 2020. It is a multi-role. Multi-role means what? It will have capabilities both offensive, means it will launch strikes, and it will have capabilities of defensive. It will defend itself also. Okay. It will have surveillance capacities also. Okay. This is called as multi-role. It performs multi-role functions. Okay. Can attack, which is called as offensive. Okay. Can launch missiles, can drop bombs also. Can defend also, and can surveillance also. All that instruments will be there in this particular helicopter. That is MH-60R. Okay, very powerful. We are getting from USA. Thanks a lot for hearing to me. Have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye. Take care.